Yes, this man installed a garage door opener for me. My name is Zilo, and I'm very happy with it.
Thank you so much. You can see it's working. You see new engine, two controls, new key packs, new sensors. You see now it's work.
And how about from here? That's this way.
Yeah, you can push the button one
Right
time.
there.
You see, customer press the button. Down.
And what's this here?
This is lock. It's just lock.
Like locks?
Yes, it's lock. Now you cannot open it.
Oh, okay.
It's for the kicks.
Okay. And this?
This is the lights. You can push, and you can see the light.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
I see.
I see.
Now we can try the key pack. So I don't know. You can open. Okay. Right now the code is
That's what the code is right now?
yes. This is right now.
Okay, well, you
Okay.
know what? I'll just keep it like that.
Yeah. Okay. Just try. And you.
You got press here?
Yes.
You open it, what? Oh, what do I do?
Press one time. Just the narrows.
Oh, just the arrow?
Yes. Yes. Just here.
Okay.
Right.
Well, that's great.